Welcome to our course on the Unix command line tool, GC. In this video, we will be focusing on the "-c flag. The "-c flag stands for count clusters. A cluster, by definition, is a graph or subgraph whose name begins with cluster. When you use the "-c flag with the GC command, it counts the number of these clusters in the input files. There is no long version of the "-c flag. Let's look at some examples of how to use the "-c flag with the GC command. In our first example, we have a file named graph1. That contains a graph with several clusters. We can count the number of clusters in this graph using the GC command with the "-c flag. The output is 3, which means there are 3 clusters in the graph contained in the graph1. File. In our second example, we have a file named graph2. That contains a graph with no clusters. If we use the GC command with the "-c flag on this file, the output will be 0. The output is 0, which means there are no clusters in the graph contained in the graph2. File. In our third example, we have 2 files, graph3. And graph4. We can count the total number of clusters in the graphs contained in these files by using the GC command with the "-c flag and specifying both files. The output is 5, which means there are a total of 5 clusters in the graphs contained in the graph3. And graph4. Files. That's all for this video on the "-c flag of the GC command. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please let us know by hitting the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our future content.